Hello students, hope you enjoyed the first part, lesson 2, the plant fairy. Have you discussed that chapter with your parents? What is herbs, shrubs, trees, plants? Oh, I have given you one question now. What is that? Give me example of herb. Have you asked your mom? Yes, that is coriander. Very good. Now come to the chapter. So, do you remember the plant on the which Didi was sitting? Yes? Okay, that was grass. The game started again. The plant fairy now said, touch a tree which has either a thick or a thin trunk. The children ran again to touch the tree with thick or thin trunks. Have you seen a tree with trunk as thick as the one shown in the picture? So, the game had started again, and now Didi asked the children to touch a tree with thin or thick trunk. Children, can you name some trees with thick or thin trunks? Not the banyan or coconut tree, that I have already told you that banyan has thick trunk and coconut trunk is thin trunk according to banyan tree. Give me some more example. Okay, let's find out first, then you can tell me that in class. So come to the next para. Michael found the game very interesting. He thought how lucky the fairy was. She could order everyone around. Now I want to be the plant fairy, said Michael. The children laughed aloud. A boy fairy? They were now ready to take orders from the new plant fairy. Michael said, get me some leaves quickly. But remember, you are not to pluck the leaves from the plants, said Didi. The children ran to collect the leaves which were laying on the ground. So, now Michael says that the game was very interesting and that he wanted to become the plant fairy. Everyone laughs and calls him a boy fairy. The game starts again and Michael asks the children to get him leaves. Didi instructs that the children should not pluck leaves from the trees but should pick the leaves that have fallen on the ground. दीदी ने कहा कोई भी no children should pluck the leaves. कोई भी बच्चा पत्तियों को पेड़ से तोड़ेगा नहीं. Then from where will they get the leaves? They will get the leaves which are fallen on the ground. Come to the next page. So all children have bring the leaves. Do all the leaves have similar colors, shape and margins? See the different kinds of leaves. Do they all have the same color, shape and margins? Yes or no? No. Dayaram said, I don't know that there were so many types of leaves. Look, some are round, some are long, some are triangular. Amos said, they are of so many different colors as well. Some are light green and some are dark green. Some are even yellow, red and purple. There is one which is green but has white patches on it. Which one? White patches on it. Tell me this. Okay. Yes. Next to the purple leaf. Very good. Look, even the margin of these leaves are different from each other. Some have a straight margin and some uneven. Yes, now it's okay. Again, look, even the margin of these leaves are different from each other. Some have straight margins and some uneven. Uneven means एक जैसे नहीं. Some of these margins even look like a saw, said Shabnam. Amu and Shabnam shouted together. We also want to be a plant fairy. Didi said, not today, maybe the next Sunday. It is time to go home now. On the way back, Didi recite a poem for everyone. Can you guess the name of poem? See, the name of poem is Leaves. This is the poem that Didi had recite when they are going back to their home. So children, do all the leaves have similar colors, shape and margins? Tell me. Think. This is what children will come to know now. Now children come to know that there are different colors, margin and shapes are of leaves. Theream says that he did not know that there were so many types of leaves. Some are long like mango leaves, some are round like lotus, and some can be triangular to like people. Amu find that leaves are of different colors like, tell me, dark green, light green, purple, etc. Okay. Shabnam noticed that the margins of different leaves were also different. Margins means the lines that you have seen. See, these lines. These are called margins. These are also different. Some were straight, some uneven, and some like saw. End the chapter by saying Amu and Shabnam wanted to be the plant fairy, but Didi said that they would continue on the next Sunday. Okay? While going back to home, she recited a poem. And now tell me the name of poem. Yes, that is Leaves. That we will do in the next part.